Now, what is a prime number? Prime number has exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. So, any number, if it has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, then it is known as a prime number. It means the others are all composite numbers, and the composite number will always have more than two factors, isn't it? Suppose we think of the numbers, say 2. Factors of 2, if I want to find it out, then 2 comes in which table? 1 and 2. 1 and the number itself. So 2 is a prime number. So here, if I want to make a list for prime numbers, then I can have one of the number as 2. The second number, suppose I want to find out what are the factors of 3, then factors of 3, that means 3 comes in which table? 1 and 3. So 3 also has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So 3 is also a prime number. Then we will go ahead. Let's find out factors of 4. It means 4 comes in which table? So 1, 4s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 we will not repeat. So 1, 2 and 4. It has more than two factors. So 4 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So composite numbers have more than two factors, right? Now let's go still further. Say you want to find out factors of 5. Then which are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. Does 5 come in any other table other than 5 and 1? No. So 1 and 5, it has only two factors. So we will say that 5 is also a prime number. Now there may be some step-by-step algorithm through which we can find out prime numbers, right? Yes, there is a method, a sieve of Eratosthenes. What is that? Through which you can find out all prime numbers starting from 2. Remember that 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is a special number. Fine? Now we will find out all the prime numbers up to 100 using the sieve of Eratosthenes. Now here you can see the numbers up to 100 are written, and we will use the sieve of Eratosthenes and find out all the prime numbers up to 100. Now let us find out from the first step. We will start. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so 1 I will cancel it out. And as you know, 2 is the smallest prime number which is even, so 2 we will leave it, but all the multiples of 2 we need to cancel it off. Here you can see, observe this grid properly. Here you can see some of the numbers are covered, whereas some of the numbers are left out. The numbers you can read out as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. So these are all even numbers. So all even numbers are divisible by 2. So we need to cancel all the even numbers except 2. So here this line will go. They are all even numbers. So they are divisible by 2. So I have cancelled it off. Now, as you know, multiples of 5, that is the one's place is 1, one's place is either 5 or 0. So as 5 has only two factors 1 and 5, 5 is a prime number. So leaving 5, I will cancel the rest of the multiples of 5. You can see here 15, 25, 35 and so on. They are all multiples of 5. So I need to cancel all the multiples of 5 except 5. So this is done. Let's go further. Let's see that all the multiples of 3 we will take it out. We have done 18 is done. 21 I need to cancel. 24 is already done. 27 I need to cancel. 30 is done. 33 I need to cancel. 36 is already done. 39, then 42 is done. 45 is done. 48 is done. 51 I need to cancel. 54 is done. 57 I need to cancel. 60 is done. 63 I need to cancel. 66 is done. 69 I need to cancel. 72 is done. 75 is done. 78 is done. Now here 81 I need to cancel. 84 is done. 87 I need to cancel. 90 is done. 93 I need to cancel. 96 is done. 99 I need to cancel. Okay, now from the remaining numbers we will cancel off the multiples of 7. Here you can see multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91 and 98. So these numbers we will find out from here and cancel it out if required. 7 is already a prime number because it has two factors 1 and 7. So 7 we need not cancel. 14 is already done. 21 is done. 28 is done. 35 is done. 42 is done. 49 we need to cancel it out. 56 is done. 63 is done. 70 is done. 77 is not done. We will cancel it out. 11 sevens are 77. 84 is already done. 91 we need to cancel. 13 sevens are 91 and 98 is already done. Now we will see which are the numbers left out. So here I will write the numbers whichever are left out. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Okay, here you can see these are all together 25 prime numbers up to 100. None can foretell their coming among the ordinal numbers. They do not reserve their seats, arrive unexpected. We need to praise these prime numbers, isn't it?